Hey friends, here on this video how you can connect Wi-Fi on your mobile phone. Okay, if you want to connect Wi-Fi from your phones, then it's very easy. You just need to follow these steps. And friends, at first here I just bring my cell phone, another cell phone, because I need the another cell phone. Just think that this is my friend's cell phone. Okay, so from here this cell phone, it's connected with Wi-Fi, but here on my hand cell phone, it's not connected with Wi-Fi. So here that's why I have to bring another cell phone which is connected with Wi-Fi. Okay, now the cell phone that it's not connected with Wi-Fi, you just move on setting. After that, from here here is the Wi-Fi icon, so just tap on Wi-Fi icon. Then here is the scanner. Now wait, okay, don't tap right now. Now let's move on another device. Okay, here is another device. Now this one also you have to move on setting, tap on Wi-Fi. Here's same one, scanner, but no need to tap on scanner. This another device, you have to move on this Wi-Fi connected, and here is the information icon, tap on information icon. After tap on, here's the share icon, tap on share, and you have to verify your fingerprint if you have to verify. Now let's move on this scanner. So scan this Wi-Fi. Here when I scan the Wi-Fi, friends, here you can switch off connect to join Wi-Fi, which will turn on automatically when off. So this is how it's very easy to connect the Wi-Fi. You too, you can connect very easily the Wi-Fi. But friends, one thing, you may think that how I can connect with password. This is without the password. Okay, it's okay with password also. It's very easy. You can connect your Wi-Fi. Now I disconnect my Wi-Fi again. I want password. Okay, so if you want password to connect the Wi-Fi, from here it says Wi-Fi networks. Okay, it's suggested here which Wi-Fi you want to connect. This mobile phone Wi-Fi I want to connect, but you don't know the name of this Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's move on mobile phone setting, tap on Wi-Fi. Here is the name of the Mukesh, so I want to connect this one. Okay, this Wi-Fi, and here it's shown up here. I just select here. Then I don't know password. Where is the password? Just move on the cell phone information. Then you have to scroll down. Here's the privacy. Not here. It's okay if not here, then you just click on the back, and now back. Now you have to move on this Wi-Fi again information. From here, if you don't get the password, friends, this Wi-Fi password won't show up because under the mobile it won't show up because this is not mobile phone Wi-Fi. This is a fiber Wi-Fi. Okay, you can say Airtel fiber or you can say Geo fiber. This is not mobile phone Wi-Fi, so you can say not hotspot. Okay, that's why you cannot find the password. You can find from that cell phone that is main monitor. You can say main monitor. I mean to say that it's that can edit the Wi-Fi. Suppose this is my mobile phone, I have insert my Wi-Fi, mobile phones, etc. Okay, so you cannot. So friends, it's okay, don't worry. Now I can show you with password also you can connect the Wi-Fi. You just turn off your Wi-Fi, turn on your mobile data, and you need to turn on your hotspot. So here's the, oh, this is Realme share. Sorry, I turn on Realme share. You have to turn on your hotspot. Okay, now let's move on this one, or not this one. Move this mobile phone connection and sharing. Now turn on personal hotspot, click on this icon, turn on. Here is the Realme 11 Pro 5G. You have to search here Realme 11 Pro 5G. Here's the Realme 11 Pro 5G, and here you have to enter the password. Here's the password, Y5A 7 662PR. Now I have done to write the password. Now tap on connect. Here it has been connected. So this is how you can even connect through the password also. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.